Recording?
Yeah. So I'll sit here and wait until you're up, and then I'll go up behind you. Or I can go.
I like to kind of take a nice long run, but that's mostly just me.
This is perfect. I can see just fine, so we're good. All right, going out.
Yeah, I'm glad I did it.
Timer clear.
All right, going up.
Gear up.
Yeah, but you're more efficient.
Yeah, but yours sounds better. Alright, I'm gonna dive down for a little pass.
I'll come behind you.
Did a CT scan of his head to make sure that there was no concussion or anything, which there wasn't. And
it's gotta be depressing. You know, I find it my health issues affects me like this. It's a mental battle too.
Do that, and then I'm probably gonna split it.
Okay.
Sounds like his brain is still.
oh yeah,
Time remaining 2
I'm
minutes.
coming the same direction you are. I'll be behind you because I can't turn as tight.
and he's got issues with
He's only good at 95. But still, my grandfather lived till 96.
Little pass, first pattern.
Okay. I'm sticking with you so we can be out of each other's way.
My dad's dad died at 92, but because he fell and his head.
You have a walker?
He's got a walker, but he's stubborn and doesn't want to use it.
Alright, we'll pass first pattern.
Okay.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Stabilize yourself.
Yep.
He's just as stubborn as I am, so.
This is going to be kind of close, so don't freak out. I know you're going reverse. I'll be high.
It would have been better if it happened today.
You landing?
You know,
I'm going to do a gear pass and land.
not very good at all.
Cruise above you.
Yeah,
Well, every Sunday I come.
yeah.
Gear down.
I'm starting to observe a little bit, but I was working with the student at the time, so I didn't get a chance to take my jet up. I'm hoping it doesn't rain like
10.
you're saying.
What pattern are you running?
8.
5,000.
6. 5. Landing flaps. 4. 3. 2. 1. Time expired.
There we go. All right.
Braking.
Cool.
That thing looks like it should not fly.
It doesn't, and it's better now. It was worse before.
What is Heine doing? I want to see him fly that. He's gonna fly it again?
Alright, landing.
Alright.
I think he might fly it again. It flew great. Yeah, he flew it.
It flew pretty good.
Yeah, you're clear. Come on.
Was it on the trim when he
Barely. Just barely. It was
it
fine.
looked like it climbed out kind of quick.
It took off on its own, and then everything else was just a couple clicks here and there, and he was good.
Are those intakes on a servo?
Yeah. It's brake.